Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a collective haul of all the things I bought for my apartment for the first 2 weeks of moving in and living there. So this is an apartment that I came to pretty much with nothing. Yeah, I didn't have a ton of stuff transferred over and a lot of my stuff was old, so I got rid of it and I wanted new things. I try to be as cost effective as possible while also buying things that are good quality, so I try not to buy too much stuff from the dollar store and just invest in things that are going to last me a little bit longer and look a little bit nicer. So you guys will see everything that I got. If you're new to my channel, my name is Zoe and I am in a transitional period of life where I'm moving and I'm graduating university and I'm starting a career. So I'm making videos just kind of documenting the whole journey. For the next little while, it's going to be a lot of stuff about home decor and moving and like moving on a budget and just, yeah, those transitional videos. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe to see more. I have lots more moving videos that I'm currently filming. And I hope you enjoy this haul. So like I said, this was collective, so this was over the first 2 weeks, so you'll see a few like outfit changes and stuff, but without further ado, let's get into it, and I really hope you enjoy. Guys, so this is going to be the very first segment in this collective haul. This is sort of the first round of stuff that I bought for the apartment. Now obviously you can see there's furniture and stuff behind me. Most of that is old stuff from my old apartment. So I'm going to show you guys like the new stuff that like you may want to make sure that you have for like your first few days in the new apartment. I'm sorry if I'm forgetting something, like if there's something that maybe my parents bought for me or that I had transferred over, so don't use this as an exact checklist, but I think this just about covers everything that you want to make sure you have. So first things first, this is not really in order. I'm going to start with like cleaning supplies and then I'll show you personal items. So maybe it is in order. Okay, so my dad got me these from Canadian Tire. These are like microfiber cloths. These are really good for like wiping down the surfaces of your apartment when you first move in, and they're good to have just all the time in your apartment. What's nice about these is it's more eco-friendly because you can throw them in the washing machine after you use them, and use and reuse them like as much as you need. A tip that my dad gave me is that when you move in and before you have all your furniture set up, it's a really good idea to like clean everything and touch everything in your apartment, because that way you kind of get familiar with it, you know, every surface and like you've touched every area. So what I did was like I took the cloth, this cloth, I wiped it, I got it wet and I put on some either disinfectant or floor cleaner depending on what area I was cleaning, and I got on my hands and knees and I cleaned all the baseboards of the apartment. I cleaned all the little nooks and crannies that get dusty, and it really does like connect you to the apartment, which sounds really weird, but like it makes it feel like it's your place, and like that you've cleaned it and like you've infused like your touch and your love into it, and whatever. So cleaning cloths are definitely a must for like as soon as you enter the apartment. Next thing is you want to make sure you have paper towel to like dry your hands or use Windex, or for anything that's like really nasty that you want to clean up, just make sure you have paper towel. On that same note, you do want to make sure you have toilet paper. This is important too for when you're moving, because you're gonna have to pee when you're moving and then you're gonna realize that you have no toilet paper. So make sure you have toilet paper. On that note, you also want to make sure that in your first batch of stuff you move over your shower towels, because maybe you're going to get sweaty in the move or you're just going to want to dry your hands after you wash them. So make sure you have towels in your bathroom. Next, on the cleaning, I guess speaking of bathroom, we can talk about this. This is scrubbing bubbles. Now, I like to usually try and get eco-friendly or like clean products, but sometimes you just need stuff that works. So scrubbing bubbles is like my mom's all-time favorite. She swears by this stuff. She recommends to get the one in the aerosol, so it's really bad for the earth and we do feel bad, but it just cleans your bathtub and your sink really extremely well. And you want to like disinfect it and clean it like when you move in, because it's yours and you maybe want to take a bath, or even just a shower. You don't want it to be grimy, so make sure you get some scrubbing bubbles to clean out your bathtub. Next is dish soap. It's just good to have because you can use it to wash your hands as well. I don't know, this is Dove. My dad picked it out, but I really like it because it's apple scented. It smells good. Okay, another must is a Swiffer. Swiffers are the best. Yeah, like it's just good to pass over after you do a vacuum to Swiffer before you mop your floors. So a mop is another good one. You can obviously use like a wet Swiffer, but if you have a mop, I find it just works better. Or if your apartment is quite big, it's better to have a mop because the Swiffer, the wet ones just get dry really fast and you're going through more of them, and it's also not really like the most eco-friendly. Okay, what's next? Oh, garbage bags are really important. These I just got from Walmart. Oh yeah, everything I'm showing you guys is either from Walmart or from Canadian Tire. So that's where we went. So garbage bags are important because you're gonna throw stuff out as you clean, and like as you move in, there's gonna be little bits of garbage that you wanna be able to put into bags. Wow, it just fell. Okay, so that's everything. Oh, the Swiffer duster. We used this yesterday, so it's like a bit nasty, but we got this extendable Swiffer duster to be able to clean like the fan. It's not in the camera, but clean the fan and stuff, so that's good. And then as you're moving in, you obviously want to make sure you have all the essentials for taking a shower, because you get so sweaty when you're moving and like you feel yuck. So I'm going to show you guys like the shower essentials that I bought. So I got shampoo and conditioner because I didn't have any from when I moved over. So this is Ren Pure plant-based, I don't know, it's a new brand that I'm trying out. This is rose water shampoo and conditioner. It smells really, really nice. And then you want to get a shower puff for your new shower. You want to make sure you have like a face cleaner so that you can clean your face at the end of the day. This is new, I think. It's Clean and Clear lemon gel cleanser from Clean and Clear, yeah, from Walmart. I don't know, I honestly was just attracted by the yellow lemon bottle, so I thought I would try it out. And then I just got body wash and body lotion, because I found that like from moving, my skin is getting really dry. So yeah, wanted to have all of that stuff. So all of this was from Walmart. I didn't spend a ton of money getting it. So that was like the preliminary essentials, and we'll see in the next clip what else I get. Hi guys, I look disgusting because it is so hot outside, but I'm gonna do the next installment for the collective haul. I went to the dollar store and Canadian Tire yesterday and got a bunch of necessities. So let's just get into it so that it doesn't take too long. To start, I got these hand towels for the kitchen, just so you can like dry your hands or dry the dishes. I got yellow because I like yellow. I also got this dish dryer mat. They really didn't have a lot of choices, and they honestly have nicer ones at IKEA, but I don't know, I just needed one for right away. This was like, I think $10, which isn't too bad. I don't remember the exact prices of everything actually, so I'll just tell you. I spent $250 on all of this. So yeah, it's really expensive. Like, it hurts when you're moving, but it's all necessities and stuff you're gonna have for a long time, so you just kind of have to like close your eyes and do it. I got this spray bottle for my plants. I got this, which is like a dish, it sits in your sink, because the one that came with my sink is like really nasty. So these are good because like they're gonna get nasty, so like every few months you can just get a new one. So that's from Canadian Tire. Everything first I'm showing you is from Canadian Tire. And then I got this sink caddy that sits in your sink, so you can put your sponge and your brush and stuff. So this one is pretty nice. It looks like they have good suction too, because they have them at the dollar store, but the suction doesn't look really good, and then it's just gonna fall and get nasty. So you wanna maybe just get a little bit of a better one so that it works. Next, I'll just show you this. It's really big. I got a shower caddy. This is one that goes in the corner, and it's like adjustable, and it's called a tension one, because it just like the tension is what makes it stay up, if that makes sense. And I got a metal one because I thought plastic would get gross. This was one of the more expensive things that I bought. I think it was around $45, but it's really nice to like just keep your shower organized. So I'll put an edit on top of this and let you guys know if this is a good one. This is from the brand Zena Home, like I said, from Canadian Tire. Okay, let's keep going with the Canadian Tire stuff. I got a toaster. This was I don't know. It was a little bit more expensive. It's a MasterChef brand. I think that's just a Canadian Tire brand. But I wanted like a nice toaster because I have a fear of toasters catching on fire. So, yeah. Okay, next I got a kettle. This is the thing I'm most excited about because I love making tea and I love making lemon water. So like having a nice kettle for me is really important. This is an electric kettle and it's glass and you can see the inside. So my mom had one like this. I think she actually had this exact one. And it's fun because when the water boils, like the light, it turns blue. And you can see like all the bubbles and you can see it swirling around and like, I don't know, it's really nice. So I got this kettle and I think it's easier to stay clean too. So it's a little more expensive than the other kettles, but you're gonna use it every day, or if you use a kettle every day, maybe you wanna invest in a good one. Next from Canadian Tire, I can't lift it. I got this, it's a clothes drying rack so that you don't have to use the dryer every time. It's better for the earth, it's better for your wallet, it's better for your clothes. So I got a nice one because it's just like a pain when they fall apart. These are kind of annoying because you have to like store them somewhere, but it's worth it to like save money and save your clothes and stuff. Okay, the rest of the stuff I got from the dollar store, so I'll show you guys. It's mostly just little things for the kitchen. So I got some kitchen gloves for the dishes and stuff. I got steel wool for scrubbing pots. I got just some regular rubber sponges for washing dishes and stuff. I got some Ziploc bags just for the meantime if I want to like put stuff in. I do want to do a video of like ordering and maybe trying out some like eco-friendly kitchen options, so like having like reusable Ziploc bags and stuff. So stay tuned for that. Then I got this is an over the cabinet storage thing, so you hang it on the inside of your kitchen cabinet, or on the outside I guess, but I think I'll put it on the inside, and you just put extra sponges and stuff in there so you have like easy access to it when you're washing the dishes. So that's good. And the last thing I got was some Windex because I gotta clean my windows. So I'm gonna go do that now, and I'll see you in the next little segment of whatever else I buy. Hi guys, so this is going to be the last installment of the collective haul. I pretty much have everything and I don't need to shop for anything like too urgently for the next little while. So let's dive right in. This is a package from Amazon and I've been waiting to open it because like, I don't know, I just wanted to feel like a YouTuber and like do an unboxing. So Amazon has so much stuff for your house, and honestly, even without Prime, the shipping is really fast. I don't have Prime because I'm trying to figure out a way to like scam student Prime, even though I'm not a student. So Amazon has so much good stuff for the house. Some things maybe you want to buy in store, but some things you're okay to wait a few days for to get like a better deal on Amazon. So I'll show you guys what I got. The first is a bed skirt. This is just the Amazon Basics line, so I guess it's like made by Amazon. And what this is to put over top of my box spring, because right now my bed is just a mattress on the floor. So I got this bed skirt. It's just white, like you can imagine it. I'll put a picture of like what it looks like. But it's just to make the bed look a little bit nicer without a frame. So if you're waiting to get a bed frame and you're like waiting for the perfect one, or maybe you're not going to have a bed frame, get a bed skirt just to put over the box spring, and it will just make it look so much better. It's going to take it from ratchet to really nice really quick. The next thing I got, which I have been very much waiting for, is this lemon squeezer. Most people use the one that's like a handle like this, and you buy them from like Canadian Tire or wherever. But I personally find that you get more juice when you use this one because you're able to like put more weight on it, so you get more juice from your lemons. And I didn't like any of the ones that I saw in store. I didn't like the metal because I just thought it looked cheap. So this one was $15 on Amazon, and it looks like it's a pretty good quality. And you're able to like put it in and then you pour it straight from the thingy, and it separates like the seeds and everything, but you're also able to get the pulp if you like it. So that's a lot of description for a lemon squeezer, but I'm really passionate about lemons and my lemon water in the morning, so that's what this is for. Very exciting. The next thing I got Now you can get these at the dollar store, but I decided to invest in a high quality one. So this is a shower squeegee. Apparently this one has like really good suction and adhesives to be able to stick it to your shower, and it's stainless steel, so it's not going to turn rusty. It's not going to, like the plastic ones from the dollar store, get nasty after a while. So that's what I got this for. And this is just to keep your shower looking nice. If you have like dark tiles in your shower, you want a squeegee to like keep things looking nice, and also to keep the moisture out of your bathroom. So obviously it's not like the most essential thing, but when you're in a place that like you like and you want to take care of, I think it's really worth it to buy. So I just want to take a look at it to see if it's any good. So I'm not gonna like recommend you guys buy something bad, because this was like $20, which is kind of pricey for a shower squeegee. So let's take a look. Okay, it feels nice. It feels heavy. It doesn't feel cheap, and it looks good. And this is what you stick this into your shower, and then it just hangs in your shower, so you always like have access to it. So that's the squeegee. That's the squeegee, and that's the brand Gecko Lock. So this whole purchase on Amazon cost me, I think, $80, but that's because I had one big purchase in here, and I'm going to show you guys. So I got a cutlery set, a flatware set from Amazon, and I got it in a gold color. I really like how this looks. Like, I've been to restaurants and they've had the gold cutlery, and I thought it looked really nice, but some people have told me that like it gets nasty looking quickly and kind of ratchet. So this was $45, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I don't know. I'll write on the screen what I decide. So that's the end. That's my haul, and that's going to be the end of the collective haul. I'm going to show you guys two more things that I'll do a cutaway for right now. So that's everything. So that's been me 2 weeks in this apartment, basically all the essentials that I needed. This should give like a pretty good checklist for what you might need when you're moving in, and I hope this video was helpful, and be sure to stay tuned for more moving home decor videos, so make sure you're subscribed to see more of those. So I thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.